Hi everyone, thank you for joining and thank you for listening to this video. Today we are going to learn how can we build your first chart in Power BI. So the first thing that you need to do is that you go over here and go to this link that I will mention in the description. Once you go on this link, you can download the Power BI desktop for yourself. Once you are able to download Power BI desktop, the next thing that you can do is download the sample dataset. So I'll also provide this link here in the description. You can just click on this download option and you have Power BI desktop to build your chart and dataset on which you can build the chart. Right? So now if you have both things ready, once you have both things ready, you can go to this option and say get data, click on this Excel workbook, right? Once you click on Excel workbook, this is the file that you have downloaded. Open this file. So once you open this file, you will see three options here, right? Those three options represent three tabs you have in Excel. So you can select orders, you can select people, and you can select returns, and just say load. So once you select load, that data set gets imported into Power BI desktop. Great. Now we have data set imported in Power BI. Okay. It will take some time to load the data. Now, once you have loaded the data set, you will see that these three tabs represent three tables that you have imported from the Excel file. On the extreme right side, uh, then you would see a plain canvas. Here you can build your different charts, visualizations. From here, from get data, you can import data sets, right? Now click on this stack bar chart. So if you see this option of visualizations, in the visualization pane, you can see there are a plethora of visualizations that you can build, out of which we'll select the simplest one, stack bar chart. So once you click on it, a box will appear over here. You can make it larger, smaller based on your liking. And then once you have that, go to this orders. So here you will see column names of the data set that you have imported. In front of few column names, you will see this aggregation sign. This aggregation sign represents that the data that you have imported, the column that it represents, it is numerical in nature or it is quantitative in nature, right? And the other column is which do not have any sign are text-based or string-based columns. And the other one that you see, which has calendar symbol, is a date format of data set. So simply just take this category and put into y-axis, right? Take this profit and put into x-axis. So as graphs that we have studied in college or school, you have x-axis and y-axis. So y-axis, we have added category, and on x-axis, we have added profit. So as you can see, we have built a sample first chart, right? So we can see the category of technology, office supplies, and furniture. And we can see the sum of profit in each case as we hover on it. Now let's say we want to add legends, or simply when I see this technology bar, I want to split it by different segments. So I have segment over here and I'll add it to legend. So once you add it to legend, you are splitting this chart by three categories of segment of consumer, corporate, and home office, right? And as you hover on it, for every category, you see the sum of profit. So that's how within 5 minutes, you can create a one simple chart in Power BI. So similarly, as we move ahead, we'll try to add more function. We'll try to explore more functionalities of Power BI and add more insights in the dashboards that we create. Thanks for joining.